everybody and welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. I'm Gabrielle and today I'm going to show you how to get tailor-toned at home. And today we're going to focus on trimming down our inner thighs. So probably like a lot of you at home, I really don't like my inner thighs. They're one of my problem areas. So these exercises that I'm going to share with you today, I have found really work for toning up my inner thighs. If I use words like tailbone today, I just basically mean your glutes, the bottom of your back, and that's where I'm meaning when I say that word. Also, when I say the word navel, I mean belly button. So let's get started. Okay, so you're going to bring yourself onto your mat, feet come underneath the hips. I just want you to give yourself some shoulder roll backwards and down, shoulder rolls backwards and down. Inhale. Exhale. First of all, into a squat with a kick. So bring the feet hip distance apart. You're going to take a bend, kick to the right. Bend just the right side. So you're going to drop down, kick to the right, drop down, kick and press. So it's just that right leg working. I want you to sit right into that squat, weight into the heels, and then fire up through that right leg. So we're just aiming to get the heart rate high before we come in towards your main section of your workout. Drop and then kick up. You've got 4 this side, and then we're going to go to the other side. 3, keep going. 2, kick. 1, straight to the other side. Drop, left leg. You want to clasp those hands together, drop and kick, firing that right heel off towards the side of the room. Drop down and kick, drop, kick. 5 more here, press and kick. 4 more, you've got it. 3 and kick, 2, kick. 1 more. Come in towards a wide plie position. The hands are going to come to the waistline, and then from here you're going to drop down, lift up. Drop, then lift. Drop down, lift up. You want your feet here wider than the hips. You want your feet turned out. The knees are firing over the top of the toes. Don't let the knees cave in. Drop down. 8 more of these. 7, then we're going to hold. 6. You've got 5, so stillness here. 4, then we're going to hold. 3, 2. Now hold low. I want you to bring your hands into a prayer position. Push the palms together, roll the shoulder blades backwards and down. You are sinking nice and low. Now I want you to really squeeze the back of your thighs towards the back of your room and hold. Inhale in, exhale, maybe drop a little bit lower. Now you're going to start to work on your inner thighs here. So you're going to add a little wrap back to the thighs. Wrap back, wrap back. Wrap back. So you're squeezing the back of your thighs all the way behind yourself. And I want you to really think about pushing with your inner thighs here. Wrap back. So this is a great one for firing up your inner thighs, but it's also a great one for getting in towards your glutes at the back and into the back of your thighs. Keep going. Wrap, squeeze. Wrap, squeeze. Can we sink it down 1 inch lower to the floor? Wrap, squeeze. Now keep pressing the palms together. Keep pushing the chest forward, rolling your shoulder blades backwards and down. Think about your posture as well as burning out those thighs. Wrap, wrap. You've got 8 more. 7. We are not done. We're holding in 6, in 5, in 4, 3. Stick with me. 2. Hold there. Now you're going to lower your tailbone. 1 more inch down. Get those glutes further towards the floor. Can you reach the hands over the top of the head and get your heart working even harder? Now hold, I know it's burning, and you're going to start to wrap the thighs again. Wrap, squeeze, wrap, squeeze. You are getting those brand new legs you dreamed of. You are trimming down your inner thighs, and I am with you. Wrap back, wrap, squeeze. Can we go for a final 10? Then quick breather. 9, 8 more wraps. 7, squeeze the thighs back. 6, 5, keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Shake off straight down towards the floor. And wait, so bring yourself all the way down towards the floor, onto your left forearm. You're going to bend through this right leg at the back, and then you're going to extend through this left leg underneath. So I want you to flex the foot here today. Bring the right hand in front of yourself, lift the leg off the floor. You're going to take a little tiny lift up, go up, go up. Now you may barely go anywhere at all, but you should be feeling this into the inside of your thigh. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. You're pressing down in your left forearm. Your right hand is acting as support, and you are squeezing your left leg up and away from the floor. Go lift, lift, So you're trying to lift your instep up towards the ceiling. Your right leg behind is supported, lift up. You should start to feel this now. Go squeeze, go lift. 8 more, 7 lifts, 6 of them are gonna hold, 5, 4, we are not done in 3, 2, 1. Now you're gonna hold there. I want you to keep that leg floating up and away from the floor. You're gonna take a point through the toe, and then you're gonna flex the foot. The leg now is in an isometric hold, and you're using your inner thigh to keep it up and away from the floor. Isometric hold, your muscle is holding stillness and is creating lean muscle tissue. Point through the toe, flex through the foot. Give me 5 more of these to go. And flex, you got 4 more here to go. Point and flex, you got 3. I know it's starting to burn that inner thigh. And flex, you've got 2 more. Flex, 1 more. Then you're gonna take a flex through the foot, and can you go again? Lift, lift, it burns, lift, lift. So you should be really starting to feel that nice deep burn into that inner thigh as you lift that leg. Remember, you are changing, sculpting your legs, so do not give in. Lift and squeeze, squeeze. Can you get that heel any higher? You are done this side in 10, 9, 8 more lifts, 7, keep going, 6, 5, get it higher, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, lower the leg. Now you're gonna bring the top leg on top, extend both legs, press into the left forearm, lift your right leg, lift the left toe, release, drop back down to the floor. Lift the right leg, lift the left toe, release, and little lower back down. So if this is a little bit too hard for you, you can bring this top leg just smaller, up and away from the floor. Drop, go lift, squeeze up, release, drop down. Lift the top leg, squeeze, lift, release, drop down. This is also a great one for your waistline here too. Lift, squeeze and tap, release, drop back down. You've got 6 more of these. Release and lower. Keep going, 5, lift, release, lower down. Keep going, 4 more here. Squeeze up, release and lower. You've got 3 more. Release, lower down. Just go 2, release, lower down. 1 more. Go lift, release, lower down. Bring it straight away, round into an all fours position. Tuck the toes under, walk the hands through the feet, little bend through the knees. Lift back up, hands go prayer. Drop down, lift back up, drop down, lift. Forget that ever happened. And come straight back in towards that wide plie position. Drop down, squeeze up and lift. 8, 7, lift up. 6 and lift. 5 of them are going to add those wraps again. 4, lift up. You've got 3 more here to hold. 2, last one now, hold it low. You're going to take tiny, wrap back, wrap back, wrap back. So you want to imagine I have got my hands behind the back of your thighs, and you are squeezing me away as hard as you possibly can with your thighs. Switch on those inner thighs. How badly do you want to melt that fat today? Little wrap, little squeeze, press wrap. Can you get even lower into this squat? Wrap and wrap. You have the other side in 10, 9, back down to the floor in 8, in 7, 6, we're going down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it off. Well done. Bring yourself all the way down to the floor. Bring your right forearm down, and then again, you're going to step your left foot behind, extend your right heel out to the side. From here, lift the heel. Little tiny lift, lift, lift. So your left leg is bent behind yourself, and you want to pop the whole of your left foot onto the floor. Try and get the underneath leg away from the floor. The first time I did this, I was looking thinking that lip looks absolutely impossible, but you will be able to get it. Lift up, lift, squeeze. Can you get that inner thigh trembling here? Lift, squeeze, go up, go up. You've got 10, 9, 8, 7. We are holding in 6, 5, 4, hold in 3, 2, hold. The toe is gonna go point, then flex. Go point, then flex. Point the toe, flex. Now can you keep that underneath knee lifted away from the floor? Keep that leg lifted away from the floor. Go point, go flex. 7, flex. You've got 6 more here. I know it's a burner. 5, flex. You've got 4, keep going. I'm laughing because it's burning. You've just got 2, Now last one, flex the foot. Can you get that heel? You're gonna go there, 1 more inch up to the ceiling, find the burn, little tiny lift. Lift. Remember, this is a great one for sculpting your inner thighs. Remember why you did this workout video today. It was to change your inner thighs, so commit to it. Lift that leg higher and press for your final 10, 9, 8, 7, keep going, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Elongate that leg, step that other leg on top, float your left leg up, lift, tap the toes, release, drop back down. Lift the left leg, lift, tap the toes, release, drop it back down, lift the leg, tap, release, and down. Now you want to try to take that action here from the inner thigh. We go lift, squeeze up, lower down, release. You will also feel this coming in towards your side of your waistline too. Lift, squeeze, lower, and drop. Keep going, lift, go squeeze, lower down, drop. You've got 6 more here to go. Lower. You've just got 5 more here, squeeze the toe up. You've got 4 more, use that inner thigh and drop. 3 more, squeeze, tap, lower and drop. 2 more, just give me 2 more, lift, lower, drop, 1 more up, squeeze, release and lower. Well done. Give legs a quick shake off. And then from here, to stretch out your inner thighs, I want you to bring your right foot just to the side, bring your left leg in and elongate that leg, and you should feel that here. If you don't, move your right leg further backwards, bring that left leg in nice and tight. If you want to take a little side lean here, feel free. Opposite fingertips to opposite toe. And lift all the way back up. Carefully bring your legs back together again. Elongate that left leg to the side, bring your right foot all the way in. Push forward the hips, both hip bones imprinted to the floor. Right fingertips over the top, stretch, inhale, exhale. And then from here, bring your hands all the way through the center, prayer position, shoulder roll backwards and down, grow nice and tall. Final breath in and final breath, exhale. I hope that you enjoyed your inner thigh workout today with me. Make sure you hit subscribe for more workouts, nutritional advice and recipes including gluten-free and nut-free. Leave me any comments down below with suggestions or ideas of what you would like to see next. See you again soon. Bye!